Guys, welcome by another episode from Bytes for Tech. Today I'm gonna show you off my 3D printer. It's an Ender-5 Pro and it's really awesome. I'm gonna show you how this thing works, how you put PLA in and out. So let's start it, let's roll the intro. So guys, we are going to check out if there is any filament in the nozzle. So what we have here is called a screwdriver. So we're gonna put it on the nozzle. Oh, we need a smaller one. This one. And if you see, you can even put the nozzle right, but we aren't going to do that today. So we have it open. This thing is dirty as hell. So I use Jumbo lekker fris verzorgend wet things. I use it on all my things. So you have this and you scrub it good in. And get the nozzle right good. I'm gonna get in front and I'm gonna watch inside. So you take the screws off, get it on a good place, we can't lose it. And one important thing at the last screw, hold the thing. And we see a nice inside look. And now it's way more easier to get it off. Little metallic sticks. It is way more easier if that thing is open, and so you push right through the nozzle. And you get the nozzle tip where the thing is in it. The thing of it is really tiny to get that thing in, but so it's on, it's cleaned well. So next thing is we need to prepare the PLA, the stuff where we're gonna print to it. And first up we need to open it. So you have here, if you see it, the filament, and you need to get it untied. So you get it out of the circles. And we have here loose PLA, and if you see, this is not quite good and you can't print with it because it's not right. So we're gonna cut it like this. You've got this cut thing, I don't know how to pronounce it, but you get it with the printer, so that's very nice. And what I did when I cut it, if you have an original printer, like original, you can't put PLA right in the printer. It needs to be a bit pointy. That I did. So it's ready now. So what we do now is get the printer on, and Sean Michael isn't here at the moment, so I need to film it. You go to prepare, preheat PLA. But now we're gonna shove it all the way into it. And let me make a nice setup for you guys. Here we have the PLA. Watch out for the cables. That's the most important thing. And I'm gonna push the red thing and find opening slot, and sorry, I'm gonna sit by it, but it's always not really very handy. And if it isn't going right that easy, just cut it again, make it way more pointy. The reason why it's not going straight in, because it needs to, there is an it's like a driveway, and if you drive right way, it isn't going to help. But if you take the left turn or the right turn, then you can do the hit the driveway. It's like that. But now we get it all the way in. Get it in is really easy, and if you see it's hot enough, there comes filament out. And in my case there is white and hot filament. So white and black filament. So that it's good. The white one is out. So what we're gonna do is now set it in Auto Home, the printer. So you go to prepare and Auto Home. What it happens is it's going to his. So it's fascinating to see it. But so it goes. There we go, it is printing! So now it's printing for the, it's getting on top for safe printing. So it's gonna be looking crappy, but the end result is gonna be magnificent. But this isn't a new filament, so it's gonna be a while when I get used to it. But 1000 gram, so 1 kilogram of filament. So we're gonna have some fun the coming days. If you want to see more 3D printing videos, say it in the description below, and I will read all your comments and we will reply to them. So and now I'm gonna have some fun waiting for the print to be done. So, and if you see, guys, this is how it looks. 3%. Oh, this is doing good. I will see you guys in a bit. So, righty guys, he is good as well. He's printing. So you can see, I'm gonna zoom in at this point. So you see those little black stripes, that point and that point. That is going to be the bookmark, and the figure sides is the support for the print. And what the problem was is that my printer because I didn't use it much, he wasn't really calibrated, so I calibrated it in some rest time. And if you want to see it, search some videos from the YouTubes on, and that quality of those videos are better. But simple what said is like, here is a knob of the printer. It hits because, there you go, that grey one hits the thing to set the height, and it was really too high to print it at all. And printing it mustn't be that high, and it mustn't be too low to print. So if you calibrate the printer, you need to do it at 4 sides each with a little paper. and then you put it under the nozzle to feel if it's good, and if there is a little bit tightness, then it's good, and then you do it at the same at the other sides, so then it's good to be printed, and it is printing right now, so that's pretty good. So I will film it now, and if you guys like to watch, I will give you updates how it's going, and I will give you my end conclusion, my end review. So sit tight and enjoy the show. But I'm happy that it's working, so I'm gonna print this whole week and weekends much, because I want to print so many stuff. So welcome back, guys, and it is finished. So what we're gonna do is get the supports off, and it works so simple. Like, you gonna click it all off. It's tight. With the other POA, the test print POA, I didn't have that tightness to it. The last bit failed a little bit with getting it off, but with some tape it will be fixed. But this is really good POA. It looks really cool. Good, printed well. Only one extra bit, but I'm happy with it. It's really good, strong POA. I will recommend it. And then the 5 Pro is a really good system to print with. So you can buy it probably anywhere. But yeah, this was the video. Like, subscribe, leave a comment down below, and I will see you guys next time. See you in the metaverse, on the interwebs. Bye!